How to block someone on Discord. If you're trying to block someone on Discord, you first have to head over to your Discord application. Now, from here, if you're inside any server, you can go to DMs, and if someone is spamming you or sending you unnecessary messages and you want to block them, you'll usually find them on your messages section or your DMs. Now, from here, tap on the chat right here that you want to block. Now, once you've selected your person, you can just tap on their profile. So let me just go ahead and tap on this profile right here. Now, what I'm going to do here is simply go ahead and tap on the remove option and block. So tap on the three lines at the top right. Then you have different options here. And right below ignore, you have block. But if you don't want to completely block them, you could just ignore their messages. But if you want to completely block them, tap on block. And now they can stop direct messages, limit access to your profile activity, and they can interact with you in group DMs and servers. So click on block right here. Now you've successfully blocked this profile. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.